I would like a simple haircut. Can I have a shave? I have to visit the stylist. I need to speak to the hairdresser. I want to try something different today. Can I request a different shampoo? My hair is damaged. Can I have it fixed? I would just like a trim. Could you cut a little bit more? Could you straighten my hair? I don't have an appointment. Do you have time today? I would like to dye my hair. What kind of hairstyle do you recommend? Can you make it look like this picture? I would like to change my hair color. Can you show me different hairstyles? I'd like a cut and blow dry. Around what time will we be finished? Does this price include shampoo?